how to add links to Instagram bio. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can add links to your Instagram bio. And to do that is simple. First step is to log in into your Instagram account, just like I have done here. And then after doing that, move to the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon and just click on it. Then on your profiles page, you can see your bio, you can see other things. Then click on edit profile. After clicking on edit profile, you brought to the editing page where you would see edit picture, avatar, name, username, bio. Then just under the bio field, you can see the option add link. So just select that, and then you'll be asked to you will be shown two options: external link or your Facebook profile. So to add an external link, just click on the add option, then entering the URL here, entering the title of the link, move to the top right corner, click on the tick icon, and then just like that, the link will be added to your uh, bio, such that the link will now appear right beneath your bio on your profiles page. So this is it. You can see how simple it is, right? So I'm sure this tutorial has helped you. So if it has, ensure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.